Katawa kong maghuna-huna nganong nag-isip kong move on sa una. Di balitan manggit unta ko ambot kong noon sa to kikog haliwat ni mo. Apang karoon nagbago na ballpen man gani mawala feelings diri na lang ko kuto, diri na lang ko taman, diri na ko mabukod sa taong gusto ko. Dagan kay ko, thank you, manatay pagsanay. Ay na ko, at ikaw, pero adik ra, adik ra, adik ra, adik ra. Move on, murag uya, ambot ning tughan ko, at akalagpasagan. Nanumang maglisod ko, upuhi, nawaman ko, kumiti, pag-isip ko, ang takaw na nawagit ko ay maani lingkong manghatapawi. Sorry guys, ako conscious ako sa voice ko, baka sobrang lakas lang. Nagtulog na yung mga neighbors. Ang kotama, dili na kumagugod sa taong gusto ko. Dagan kay ko, thank you, manatay buksanay. Ay nako, atikan. Onda, maghinay-hinay na ko palayo. Maghinay-hinay lang, kay basin pa di ay maabsan mo. Di mo pero natin parang lain lagi to. Kay basin pa di ay maabsan mo. Di mo pero ano bang key doon? Hahasula? Ano gani? Yung ano? Start ng song. Hindi pa sa akong mga damo. Hi, Miguel. At una pa'y ikaw ako. O kung maungan ka, di pa natugog pa rin. Kawara ko buot na mo. Wala. Actually guys, nag-woody ako kasi wala lang. Basta akong mga damo. Kalo din. Tumipa ako. Kung maungan gano'n pa, matugog pa rin. Kawara ko buhat na mo. Babae! Kuyog pa ang inyong duha. Sumug-sumugon ka as if nagkikilig. Ang pandi ay nasakit. Hindi daw yak, walay ikaw gako. Apan kong magselos ko, ayaw pagod. Sige na lang taanig ha, 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 katawa. Ha, 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 sulat kahit naman. Daw tayo na ako, female eh. Parang low, hindi siya masyado guys. Sad ko sa ano eh, piano. Ganun ba ito kaya? Siyang iyong kauban, manumang mahalo, kumawa ka, naman bisa guys, nakatawa ko. Anumang mahalo, kumawa ka. Sabi ko ganun. Oh my gosh. Di ko makuha yung ano. Yung melody sa high. Yung low na lang. Selos nga lusog yung kabungan. Hanggang siya ang iyong kauban, anumang mahalo, kumawa ka. Waman giti ka ako maong sulinan. Kikod ang ang akong dakong salam. Maful ko di mo duha, misti naging mautro. Di tao yan, walay ikaw dako. Apan kong magselos ko, ayaw pagbuot. Sige na lang taanig ha, 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 katawa. Ha, 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 sulat sa taman. Wala na ko'y mahimo, piling pahiskot na lang ba? Wani ko to, sige na lang taanig ha, 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 katawa. Ha, 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 sulat wala na tayo nanyatabuko. Buyag-buyagin tawong ayaw. Ang flames nag-ingon maong unang sa pagkakaroon. Ikaw iyaw, kung ikaw ako. Apan kong magselos ko, ikaw bago. Sige na lang tayo ka, ha, ha, katawa. Ha, ha, sulat. Ha, 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 sulat. Nag-inom na ko water guys, bago lang. Sulaning kahintang. Mana akong inom water, akong gibatay karong gigutom ko giatay. Selos nga, nisugyod nga bunga. Ubaw na siyang iyong kauban, anumang mahalo, kumawa ka. Huwag yan ang kita, ito yan. Thank you, Ben, sa pag-remind. Dili mo mahitakos akong lugar. Ano mahitakos? Mahitakos? Anong ibig sabihin ng mahitakos? Ano mang mahalo kung mawa ka. Dili ayaw na basulang akong pagbati. Dili mo may tako sa gugma. Akong gugma. Dili mo may tako sa akong gugma. Akong gugma. Ayaw nagbasula ang akong pagbati. Dili mo may tako sa akong gugma. Akong gugma. Di na nimo. Ayaw na jud og ayaw na jud og sulayi. Di na nimo kailangan sulayan. Kay baby, dili ni mamahita ko sa akong gugma. Ganar na lang. Dili ni mamahita ko sa akong gugma. Parang ano, yung sorry. Rap. Ay, try daw natin mga raps ng Blackpink. English rap nila. Kung kaya ko. Ano man mahalo kung ka. Bakit ikaw ko ang suri na ikutan takong salam. Bumbaya. Been a bad girl, I know I am, and I'm so hot, I need a fan. I don't want a boy, I need a man. Click clack, bada bing, bada boom, all eyes on me when I step in the room. But you don't know, better ask somebody. What's your man hit the deck like pam pam pam, pam 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 pam. Raise your glass to the roof like dang dang dang. Hands up, lit with a bottle for the henny. What's your mouth? Can you speak my name, Jenny? I'ma take what's mine, so get out my way. Ain't got time like the hard to say. Play 90s baby, I pump up the jam. Whip it up, baby, that Lambo. Drop in the chopper, right to my handle. Stepping up, killing it, stacking my millions. Stopping my paper, go brrr, Rambo. Every time you show boys stand in line just to check out, forget about the fact I'm a glow, they breath, I got my mind, I'm a money, I'm a money, I'm a mind. Go, it don't really work if you're broke, see me step, step, go, get it so hot, when the sauce got the drip in that lake. Got them begging, give me some more, baby, put them lips together, make them mix, put them lips, every day it's that, killing everything and everything. You work hard, I'm gonna see you die. Smooth criminal, I'm bad and touchable. I'll be feeling myself when you looking my way. What your queen checkmate for the win. Pull up on that Blackpink for the check, boy. Let me hear you whistle again. Oh, ganda ng lyrics. Di pa ako sleepy, guys. As in, little bit of black, Korea. Don't gotta say it no more. Even if they didn't know, they see it before. Made it to vote. Look that pop, back you pop at the top. What we rock, they all rock. Have to stop, have to shop. Keep this burger on 5 meals. We the only game to run the game in high heels. Ito. I'm getting money by the hundreds. I'm a geek to straight by comers. Post shit for the birds that are rolling. Say shit again, I'm the man like running. Stuff that like you got a hard track, so you wanna knock like another bang. Real talk, I'm like the old stuff, you can see the real young better for a bang. Let's be saying the same thing for real. What's the deal? Got a feeling you're feeling me. And I don't play with them fakes. Keep it real with me. Old times when it's old, that's when it's showtime. It's me and you. And the slogan that we both like. That playlist, my favorite, so play it. Maybe it's a love song. I need you to say it, say it. I know that you're forever. I don't have time for the troubles in your eyes. This time I'm only looking at. I'ma do it on my own now. Glad that you're alone, that you're looking for a clone now. That's how I'm getting down, destined for this underground. Sing it loud like. From myself, when you could be the one to help. How you can get in a day to tell who you want to say. Get kicked out, get kicked out. Never pick a girl when she kicked down. Who you gonna kiss now? Who you gonna miss now? I know it's time to get so ayan guys. Magduka na tayo. Kimi lang bawal yun. Hindi ko alam yung Rapstar by Fuji. May The Carpenters. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day they were born, the angels got together, decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your golden sunlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town. It's about it, everybody. Wonder, touch your feelings coming over me. There is one night something I see. Tama. And the reason is clear. It's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. Then not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's just a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is here, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your lips put me at the top of the world. Britney Spears. My loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I'm with mine. Give me a sign. Kanina sa bakay siya. Mura siya sa bahay din siya. Hala, wala na doon ko yung facial wipes. Oops, I did it again. Baby, your heart was in the game. You think I'm in love. So from above, I'm not that innocent. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. Had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm that where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glittering light, shining just the way you play. If you really make me need a little bit of company, you might be at the perfect time. You would be, I should be, I should be. I got you, I need you, come and love me, I'll never take. Mag-end na ata ko by 3:15. Ilang hours na ba ako naka-live? Oh, magpo 4 hours. Wow, na-break yung ano. Na-break yung world record. 4 hours ako today. Over naman sa 24 hours, di ako mag-training. Di ako mag-train if ganyan yung ano. Budots is so underrated as an EDM genre. Japanese song, may gusto ako na. Dalawin mo sa hindi pwede. Wala kayo na may class ako, 3:30. Ay, wala. 4:30 pa pala yung class. Japanese song. May gusto ko, may ano ka na Japanese song ba? Yung sa ano ba, yung I don't know, nakalimutan ko yung title ng ano na yun, anime. Basta, ano yung title ng ano, yung ano siya, may, yung girl, nag-violin. Tapos yung lalaki, nagpa-piano. Tapos namatay yung girl. Ano yun na anime? Oh, you're like in April. 小さな角を丸めて歩いた何でもよい笑い合い見つめていたyun, wait. Wait lang guys, nag-play yung favorite song ko ng ano, Orange and Lemons. Ano ba yun? Ito yun. Yes. Naka-braces. Nande mo yoy Kakalawaray ay Kanji Pero mitsumetei na Mimi wa janai na mag-sleep kayo. You made it kiss me, kiss me. Shiko dakishimete yo. Hala, thank you Kuya JM. Materuwa, please, please, please. You made it kiss me, kiss me. Thank you, Sisisha. Ano yun? Ate yan, sino bias mo sa Hara and that yourself? Si ano? Si Bly? Or si Ate Lori? Si Bly kasi, ang galing niyang sumayaw, guys. Very amazing talaga. Like, lalo na yung hips niya and yung back niya, very flexible. So, magaling talaga siya mag-twerk. Gusto ko magaling mag-twerk. Wala lang, basta very flexible yung ano niya, yung hips. And, yun. Tapos, si Ate Lori naman, magiging bias ko din siya if ever. Kasi, ang ganda ng boses ni Ate Lori. Twerkeries. Ganda ng boses talaga ni Ate Lori, guys. Di ko na kailangan mapaliwanag. Ako liwanag sa iyong dilim. Fun fact, guys. Yung part na, di ko na kailangan ni Bly, akin dapat yun. Like, naano na siya, pinigay, akin yung line na yun. But, kasi para kay Ma'am Shelly yung vocal coach namin, mas bagay daw siya kay Bly. So, binigay kay Bly yung part na yun. But before, pagpasok ko sa Hara, akin talaga, yung man sa gikuha, happy man din ako nga sa mga sa lines ko. Pagpasok ko sa Hara mismo, yun dapat yung line ko. Di ba late ako pumasok sa Hara, dapat yun yung line ko. Tapos, yun, bet man ni Bly, tapos mas bagay din sa kanya actually. Di ko na kailangang magpaliwanag. Di ko di bagay sa akin. Di ko na kailangang magpaliwanag. Kung liwanag sa iyong dilim, ang tanging bituin na di mo kayang abutin. Ay, Pinat! Late ka sa Hara, nagbayad sa ka 100. Si Lori Moragsista ako ng Medj. Yung first meet ng sister ko sa kanya, sabi niya parang si Stacy daw pag magtalikod. Kasi long hair pa sa Lori nun, tas Medj wavy ba yung hair niya, no? Tapos si Sako, parang wavy din ata hair niya, or tinastyle lang always into wavy. So sabi niya parang si Stacy daw. Sabi ng sister ko. Pinat? Pinat? Ay, gusto ka magsaka? Pinat? Pinat? Wow. Wow. Si Lori, as in, diba? Mabait din sa Ate Lori, guys. I like her. Actually, may giplan kami na i-cover ni Ate Lori ba? Di na, guys. Matigas na ako. Over naman sa Glinda yung sinerch ko. Imbis dapat Glory Beth, Glinda yung Glinda Sabrero. Tinatawag ako ni Pina. Gusto niya lumabas sa playpen niya. Ako sa bidong yan ni Natix, we. Okay. Ay, ito. Diba? Ito yung i-cover namin na song ni Ate Lori. Pala. There's some confusion over we wishes, but of course I'll care for this. Of course, I rise up again. I'm not so you don't need to respond. Kung di man dito ko mag-selos, hindi na ako mag-selos, guys. Do whatever you want. There's been some confusion overall. I see my ideas on you. Listening to the cute boy, you're altogether impossible to describe. Blonde. Yang and Sarah G. What is this feeling so solid in me? Felt the moment I laid eyes on you. What is this feeling? Perfect as a flame. Does it have me? Yes. Loading. Unadulterated loading. For your face, your voice, your clothing. Let's just say I love it all. Every legend I small. Funny kaya nakauban siguro yung sound na lang kahag siya. UIC yan siya. Simple unloving. There's a strange exhilaration in such total devastation. It's so pure, so strong. Though I don't think it came fast, still I can't believe that it can last. And I will be loathing you my whole life long. Maybe you were just too good. Why do you send it? I don't think I could. 40% energy na lang natira. Inaway kasi ako. Kanina pa kasi ako inaaway. Tulog na yan. Itiniday ko. Guys, nandito na si Ayo Patrick. Support Ayo. Dear Kalinda, you were just too good. Loading. O yan yung matanan Ayo yan, exact kay TJ. Sila lahat except kay TJ. Si TJ lang yung younger than me. Ba't naputol niyang heartbroken session? Gusto niyo aking story na lang i-share ko? Char. Mag-confess ka dun sa pari. Oo. Mabait kasi sa Ate Lori, guys, and very approachable, very kind jud siya, like, siya talaga yung ano, favorite member ko, kahit late yun palagi, mahal na mahal ko siya. Oo. Kasi, yung time na yun, Kuya JM, nag-ask ako sa kanila, samahan niyo ako, babe, sunduin natin si Kuya JM, tapos sa Lori yung, lumapit sa akin. May tara yan Ali, sunduin natin siya. So, yung ibang girls, nag-meet-touch sila. Sigali kami workout. Sistera ka. Sorry. I love it. Approve ba yan? Yes, approve na approve. Oo, tapos hindi man ako bias mo. Oh, diba? Tama ako, diba? Dear Galinda, you are just so good. Hindi mabigla ang tono. She's a terror, she's a tartar. I don't need to show a bias. Galinda, you're a martyr. Wait. These things all seem to try. Oh, what a celebration we'll have today. Let's have a celebration to go in the way. But that's why. Wala pa. Ata. Or Glory be. That's why I couldn't be happier. Simply couldn't be happier. Though it is, I admit, the tiniest bit like what I anticipated. But I couldn't be happier. Simply couldn't be happier. Tama, mag-sorry ka. Mag-sorry ka. Well, now that you lyrics couldn't be happier. The way it is, I admit, the tiniest bit. But I couldn't be happier. Simply couldn't be happier. Well, not simply. It's getting your dreams. It's strange. It's strange, but it seems a little well complicated. There's a kind of a side cost. There's a couple of things get lost. There are bridges you cross you didn't know you crossed until you crossed. And if that joy, the thrill, doesn't thrill like you think it will, still it's this perfect finale for cheers and goodbye. Would it be happier? So I couldn't be happier. Because happy is what happens when all your dreams come true. Bagay pala boses mo sa musical. Ooh, thank you. I've heard it that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are blessed to those that help us most to grow. If we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I know you. Like a comet pulled from another day, but it passes the sun. Like a stream that beats a boulder halfway through the woods. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. Hala, thank you sa sticker. Thank you sa Crystal Dreams. Thank you. I have been changed for good. Sige tuloy. And what might be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, pwede. So much of me is made of what I learned from you. You've been with me like a handprint on my heart. Now whatever way our stories end, I know you have written mine. Being my friend, like a ship blown from its moving by a wind of the sea, like a seed dropped by a skylight burn in a distant world. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. I have been changed for good, and just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for. Then I guess there's blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. Alam ko yung harmony ni Elphaba dito na song. Like a ship blown from its moving by the wind of the sea. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better. Ay, as in, si Chill pala yung kasama niya dun. Nakita na ko to, wala ko kabaluhin noon na si Chill dito yung kauban. Kita ko to, pero wala ko kabalo si Chill dito. At si Ate Sofia ra akong ano dito. I'll be like focusan. What is this feeling so sudden and new? Pero ito na lang kantahin namin. Kasi maraming harmonies ito. So, I felt the moment I laid it on you. What is this feeling? Fervent as a flame. Does it have a name? Yeah. Loading. Matagal naman ko dito. December 2. Di pa man nag-release ng Paramdam ang Fina. Loading. Unadulterated loading. I load it all. Hello, thank you sa sticker. Thank you sa stickers. A whole new world. A whole new world. Thank you. A dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. And now I'm in a whole new world. Oh, unbelievable sight. Indescribable feeling. Soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. Through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world. 100,000 things I never knew. I'm like a shooting star, come so far. Can't go back to where I used to be. Evidence of pride. Every moment gets better. I'll chase the many road. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. It's a world we'll be. A thrilling chase, a wondrous place. For you, me. Iskip na sila. Iskip. Parang pang-musical ko pala Gusto ko din yung song na Speechless. Here comes a wave meant to rush me away. Here comes a wave meant to rush me away. A tide that is taking me under. Swallowing sense, left with nothing to say. My face drowned out in the thunder. I won't cry, I won't start to crumble. Unadulterated speechless. Boy, whenever they try, and shut me and cut me down. I won't be silent. I won't be silent. You can't keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you, won't tremble when you, won't tremble when you try. All I know is I won't go speechless. Cause I breathe and I try to suffocate me. Don't you underestimate me? Cause I know that I won't go speechless. Written in stone, every rule, every word, centuries old and unbending. Itanawag ako sa musical din sa Wicked 2017 sa Manila. Uy, akong data po. Ay, iday, work sa LA. Ito siya. Ang book. Now that story is ending, and I cannot start to crumble. So I'm gonna try. Musical no Wicked 2017. 12 years old pa ko, Ana. 12 years old pa ko. Nag-chat ako sa kong papa. Nag-chat yung papa ko, guys. Sabi niya, why are you still awake? So, why still awake? Ikaw ka kong papa, guys. I-post niya talaga kasi nagkaroon siya ng top fan badge sa Hara. Cute ko yun. Ano pa man? Ano pang song? Defying Gravity. Defying Gravity. It's a number. Defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye. Goodbye. Kiss me goodbye. I'm defying it. Ganun na sticker. Stickerette. Alpha ba? Why couldn't you have stayed calm for once? Instead of flying off the handle. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. Hindi na ako makasing ng talaga, all out. Something has changed within me. Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second kissing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes. Close my eyes. And live. It's time to try. Defying gravity. I think I'll try. Defying gravity. And you can't pull me down. Can't I make you understand? I'm having delusions of grandeur. If someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change. But till I try, I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love. I guess I've lost. Well, if that's love, it comes at much too high a cost. And say nobody to find gravity. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying gravity. And you can't pull me down. Guys, gutom na siya ko, guys. Glinda, come with me. Think of what we could do together. Unlimited. Together we're unlimited. Together we'll be the greatest thing there's ever been in the dreams. The way we planned them. If we were contender. Bakit Gcash hihingi mo? Address na lang. Ay, There's no fight we cannot win. Just you and I define. You and I define. Gcash na lang. Malaman yung address ko. Friday 09 Naadyo yung maabot na super mid gani. Basta tingala na lang ko. Random day. Tingala na lang ko. Nain, may abot pagkaon. Ay, charap. Guys, di pa siya ako sleepy ba? Mag-read na lang tayo ng... Oh, diba? Nag-request si JM na parang di talaga ako inaway kanina. Ang Gcash... JM, JP pala. Sorry, nadamay pa nga. JP di ay. Sorry, na-mixed up ko na yung names nyo. Kayo J kasi lahat. Kabuutan ako. Request ng horror stories and heartbreak something. Diba, MJ? Ang Gcash number ko ay 0994 sorry ka. Sorry ka. Ang address na ako kay Jericho Street, St. Michael Village. Ma. Ang buot mo ko blue. Basta sa Jericho Street, may ano lang yan, may 5 bahay. Hulaan na lang ng rider. Charot. Short. Gusto ko mag-read nung nakalimutan ko na yun ng page, but naka-follow ako dun sa yung account ko dati. Media ko mo number para sa rin ay 0994. Oo, basta yung parang contents nila doon is parang humihingi ng advices yung mga nagme-message doon about like partners nila, ganun, family. Gani. Isend ko talaga, hindi ka nag-atik-atik dyan. Sure ba? Mahiya man ako eh. Ito na lang sa Reddit. Oy, karon pa ko na. Spoiled. Spoiled girly. Sige. I-send ko talaga, sure ka? I-send ko. Sige daw. Okay, gisend ko na. Okay lang ako, guys. Okay lang ako. Uy. Sige daw, ano mga gigift mo ka, Ate So? Ay, uy, yung mga nandito sa Reddit na horror stories kay very serious, parang pang-Wattpad. Wow. Pang-Wattpad ang atake, may talaga, may part something. Oo, sobrang haba. Kaya naghahanap ako ng short stories. Gusto ko matakot tayo lahat. For short, sad stories. Ay, yung mga ano na lang, yung mga Manila Confessions. If you still remember, di ba may ganun? Diba? Manila Confessions. Manila Confessions ba yun? Kasi yung parang mga... Oo, may butas na. Okay. So, kinsa ka, Z? Sino ikaw? Sige na, next story na tayo, guys. Hala, kadami nang gipalit ni Kuya. Si Koan. Kalimut ko sa name. Pero yung taga PWC before. Wala, naman kayo siya gi-order, guys. Taga natin. OMG. OMG, nakakahiya. Charot. OMG, nakakahiya. Thank you, Kuya JM. Thank you so much. Ikaw mag-ground sa next hiyas ng talong. Mutya ng talong. No, my sister. Kasi 2024 ako, tapos pinasa ko yung crown sa sister ko 2025. Tapos siya na mag-pass ng crown sa sa Manalo ngayon na year. Parang hanggang 6 a.m. nga to Parang oo, di ba ako sleepy eh. I'm not sleepy yet. Karoon pa siya na ulam. Hala, 6 a.m. talaga ako makasleep nito. Sige na. Continue na tayo sa pagbabasa. Ito na guys. White shoes. Hello po, asa na mapansin, just call me May. College student ako ngayon and siguro ito na yung pinaka-creepy experience for me since hindi naman talaga ako naniniwala sa mga multo. We were having our laboratory sa major subject namin sa main building ng school namin and siguro it was around 6 p.m. na ata kami na-dismiss noon. Every after class kasi routine talaga namin ng friends ko na mag-CR kasi iihi at mag-retouch. So, since sa third floor yung lab na ginamit namin, sa third floor na CR rin kami gumamit. Kasi yun yung pinakamalapit. And nung pagpasok pa lang namin, medyo nakaramdam na ako ng tikat na hindi ko ma-explain. Pero hinayaan ko lang kasi baka dala ng pagod ko. And napansin ko na locked yung first cubicle, so I knocked. Pero walang sumagot. As a girl na conscious at overthinker, tinignan ko sa baba since nakikita naman if may tao since nakikita yung feet and shoes. So pagtingin ko, meron nga and white shoes siya and steady lang tignan yung feet niya. Yung para bang hindi gumagalaw like for real. Pero hinayaan ko lang since ihing-ihi na ako nito and gusto ko nang umuwi. So, pumasok ako sa tabing cubicle, which is the second cubicle. And habang umiihi ako, wala ko narinig na noise galing sa first cubicle or parang tunog man lang ng flash or footsteps niya. Paglabas ko, nagtingin kami ng friends ko and tinanong ko sila if lumabas na ba yung girl sa first cubicle and sabi nila hindi pa. So, tinignan ko ulit and kung ano ang kalagayan niya nung una ko siyang sinilip, ganun pa rin talaga. So, dinedma na lang namin kasi uwing-uwi na talaga kami nun. Not until my other classmates came back sa main building after 2 days nung pag-CR namin Doon kasi i-check nila yung specimens namin sa lab. Napadaan sila sa CR kasi may stairs doon pabalik sa room namin. My classmate pointed the CR and sabi niya, alam niyo bang may nagpaparamdam sa CR na yan, especially sa first cubicle? Halos palagi daw locked at kapag kinakatok ng mga seniors natin, walang sumasagot. Pero may shoes silang nakikita. Regasyong, what's in? I will rate the story. Char. Mga 7 out of 10. Kasi scary siya, but hindi ako na-scared ng sobrang-sobra. Char, ni-rate. Guys, meron pala akong story. Ano to? Sabi to ng coach namin sa volleyball before. Oo, parang, ayun na yun. Sabi to ng, ganun na. Kaya nga, wala man lang resolution. Basta yun, story to ng coach namin sa volleyball. Kasi, teacher din siya sa University of Mindanao. University of Mindanao talaga ba? Teacher din siya sa school namin. Professor siya. And since yung training namin sa volleyball is morning, she's not allowed to get morning classes. So, napupilitan siyang mag-teach in the afternoon or in the evening. Tapos yung evening class niya, 8:30 to 9:30 kasi yung last na class sa UM. So, 8:30 na nun, patapos na yung klase nila, mga 9 ata, or sa room na yun, 50. Nanitingog sa gawas. Baka si Loloy. Anyways, so nawala na po. Baka si Loloy talaga, or neighbor lang. Anyways, basta yun. Yung student sa class niya is 50. So, 50 seats yung meron. Ay, hindi pala. Oo, 49. 49 lang pala yung students niya. Like, nasa master list. Basta nakadukol. Basta, hindi. Kasi, na yun? Kasi sa UM, by term kami. So, nung second term, ata yun, di ako sure kung anong term. Basta, nasa gitna na ng term. And 50 talaga yung students. Tapos may nag-drop out isa. Nag-drop out yung isa. So, bali, pag start pa lang ng class, 49 na sila, di ba? Tapos, 50 yung, yung seats sa classroom. So, obviously, may isang vacant seat talaga dapat. Kasi nga, 49 lang yung nasa master list. Tapos, nanginginig ako. Tapos, sa bandang likuran, right side, sa kanyang POV, parang, dito yung mga students. Tapos, likod na right side, may nakaupo. Kasi nandun yung vacant seat eh. May nakaupo. May nakaupo. So, akala niya, nakikisit in lang. Kasi, like, baka nandun yung friends na nakikisit in lang. So, parang 50 na sila noon. Tapos, nung nag-attendance siya, tapos tinawag niya yung pero, di rin napansin ng katabi. Oo, di daw napansin ng katabi. Thank you. Di rin daw napansin ng katabi, basta, ito yung nangyari. Ayun, nag-attendance na. Tapos tinawag niya yung person na lang. Tinawag niya yung person. Tapos, sabi niya na, kaninang friend to, nakikisit in, ana-ana. Tapos, lumingon lahat sa kanya. Tapos, lumingon daw lahat doon sa seat na yun. Tapos, shocked si coach kasi tumayo, tas lumabas ng room. Walang imik, guys. Di man lang sinagot si coach. So, parang natakot na siya nun. Tapos, ito pa yung mas nakakatakot. Kasi sabi ng students niya, wala silang nakikita. Si coach lang. Kaya very puzzled sila nung sinabi ni coach na may someone sa, sa right na likuran. For real. Nasaan ba si Jen? Sa ati Jen? Oo. Parang na-stop yung students ba? After kasi umalis, after na umalis na yung girl kasi yung person. After umalis na, sa kanya lang nagpakita yung girl. Kahit ako teacher niyan, matatakot ako kung bakit sa akin lang. Pero, baka stress lang siya. Kaya, may nakikita siyang ganun. I don't know. Matatakot din ako, pero science, guys. Science. Anyways, meron pa siyang isang story sa CR daw ng Mugulan. Meron pa siyang isang story sa CR yan ng building namin ng tourism management. Nakakahiswish mga wakwak na magpakita sila sa laing tao. Gani no. Like, nasilay ka ng invisibility potion sa laing tao. Ay, may story din siya sa CR yung sa 4th floor ng building namin, mga tourism management. Kasi daw, kasi, sa 4th floor, tapos na yung class, so, bale, pauwi na yung mga students, and nag-pack ko siya ng things niya, so, parang 9:45 or 9:40 na siya nakalabas ng classroom. So, pumunta siya ng CR sandali kasi naiihi siya. Tapos, nasa hindi po, lead lang po, or sub-vocalist. Basta, nasa CR siya. Tapos, yung sa salamin, pwede bang bisa niya? Joke lang, guys. So, nung pumunta siya ng CR, wala talagang tao, di ba? Siya lang talaga mag-isa. Nag-wiwi na siya, tapos paglabas na ng CR, tumingin siya, sa salamin. Kaya gani. Tumingin siya sa salamin. Like, something like, inayos niya yata yung hair niya. Hindi ko ma-remember basta tumingin siya sa salamin. Kasi may lakad daw siya after nun. Tapos, may dumaan sa likod niya, May dumaan babae. Palabas ng CR. Wala namang cubicle na nag-open. Wala ding tao doon sa mga CR. Si coach pa din to. So, sino yun? May lumabas, diba? Nakaharap siya sa salamin, tapos may dumaan na tao sa likod niya. Overch, Kuya JM. May dumaan na tao. So, learn na dyan sa Bisaya. Basta yun. Tapos, because of you, Charet. Nung naglaro kami sa Dipolog. Sa Zamboanga yan siya, guys. Yan? Okay, thank you, Kuya JM. Yun, guys? Kasi, sumali kaming Unigames. Tapos sa Dipolog yung, sa Dipolog ba? Sultan Kudarat ni. Dipolog lagi. Sa Dipolog kami naglaro nun. I don't remember the name ng school. Basta sa school kami nag-sleep nun. Tapos private school siya, ha. But, parang, like, hindi siya private school na we all think of. Kasi parang old na talaga yung school, guys. Like, old na talaga siya tignan. Tapos yun, nandun kami sa room. Like, gabi na yun. Tapos, wala naman ako nafe-feel. But yung ganito kasi yun, diba, classroom. Wait, hindi ko ma-explain ang maayos. Ito na lang. Bali, ito yung room. Ito yung room. Tapos, nandito yung door. Banda. Nakulog din sila na hindi mag-edit. After na mag-eat. O di ka, diretso na ka. Ako gamay ra ako na yung sa una sa trabaho puro Bisaya akong mga kauban. Oo, tama. Basta, ito yung ito yung room, tapos dito yung door. Tapos, natulog kami dito. Dalawa yung door, dito and dito. Tapos natulog kami dito. Tapos nakaharap kami dito na side. Tapos dito na side is parang may space good siya. Na parang pwede daanan ng tao. Pero madumi doon. So like, siguro walang dadaan na tao kasi doon kasi madumi na. Tapos yung teammate ko daw, sabi nila, habang natutulog sila, nagising sila. Oo, parang hallway, ganun. Pero, hindi siya hallway kasi hindi naman nakakadaan yung tao, tapos madumi. Pero sige, sabihin natin hallway. Parang space lang talaga siya. Oo, ganun. Tapos, sabi ng teammates ko, nagising sila. Oo, nagising sila madaling araw. Kasi parang nafe-feel nila na like very heavy daw yung pamati nila, yung nararamdaman nila. Wala, duty ko. Over. Very heavy daw yung nararamdaman nila. So, nagising sila. Oo. I mean, dalawa yun sila. Yung team captain namin and yung setter namin. Nagising sila na madilim araw kasi heavy yung nafe-feel nila. Tapos, oo, para daw may naglalakad na something mabigat sa kanilang harapan. Like, diba, ito yung room, tapos dito kami nakatulog habang natutulog kami, dito kami naka-face, diba? Parang may dumadaan daw dito na part ng room, parang sa paano namin. Tapos, na-feel pa ng classmates ko, ng teammate ko na nag-stop sa sa front niyo. Medyo baka siguro ang edit ko. Oo, tapos na-feel nila talaga yung footsteps, like, yung kumot, parang ma-feel talaga nila na ganyan. Na parang, parang may paang nakapatong sa kumot nila. Tapos, yun yung chika nila. Kasi, na lang, nag-cover na lang sila ng face nila habang natutulog. Baka kasi natakot sila. Pag halos kayo lahat nakaka-feel, meron doon. Ako, di ko na-feel. Di ko na-feel. Yung lang, parang 4 sa mga teammates ko yung naka-feel. Kasi ako, heavy sleeper ako, guys. Pinilit na lang talaga nilang makatulog daw. Oo, sleeper. Heavy sleeper kasi ako, guys. Pag ako natulog, di mo talaga ako madidisturb. Kasi di talaga ako gigising pag di ko pa time para gumising. Pag di ko pa time para gumising.